The UNB error code on a higher washing machine indicates an issue with laundry in the drum, often caused by overloading, which can result in abnormal vibration or the machine spinning at a low speed. Common causes of the UNB error code include an unbalanced load or tub suspension problems. To resolve the issue, start by balancing the load. Remove all clothes from the washing machine and reposition them in a more balanced way. If washing a small number of items, consider adding 1 or 2 more pieces to minimize the effects of an unbalanced load. Manually wring out wet pieces of laundry before placing them back in the machine. For a single item, position it symmetrically inside the drum. Restart the spin cycle and check if the error code has disappeared. If the issue persists, it may be due to a tub suspension problem, in which case a damaged tub support may need to be replaced by a technician.